What's up, guys? So this is actually the next day. I tried to make a intro video to yesterday's video, and for whatever reason lost the footage. So this is going to be the new intro, which is the next day. Just kind of walking you through what we're going through. Did a full 4-inch MBRP exhaust on the second gen Cummins. What it came with is you can watch like episode 2, I think, of that build, which I think I'm going to go with. I think I'm going to call it build civil. Trying to like civil it down a little bit, civilizing. But anyway, got rid of the really poorly exhaust that was on there, that was unhooked, and it just really came off the downpipe. I went with a full 4-inch MBRP setup, and yeah, just kind of like walked you guys through sound clips, walked you through like how it sounded, walked you through an unboxing video of it, and my total impression and what I thought of it, which I thought was really good. If you guys are looking for a budget exhaust, highly recommend it. And I'm gonna drop a little sound clip before you even get started, let you listen to that Cummins, and then watch the full thing. Guys, if you're liking what you're seeing, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think of it, let me know if you thought it was a good mod or not, and let me know what you think my next mod should be on it. Alright guys, so going under, you see that the exhaust end's right there, but that's not actually even hooked up. Let me see how well you guys can see that. Okay, so right there's where the downpipe actually comes down, and you can see that it's actually completely disconnected from right there. So this whole section is not even hooked up right now, so you can imagine how that sounds in the cab. It is literally the most obnoxious thing you could imagine. So going to a full exhaust with a muffler should actually help out a little bit and not make it so loud. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to show you guys the new system and then get this all cut out and put in the scrap pile. All right guys, so this is fully unboxed and laid out. Muffler is up on the workbench right here. Full 4-inch, like I said. This pipe right here will be the downpipe. We will not be using this setup. Reason we won't is because we're on a BorgWarner S300, which is on a V-band setup. So that will not be used. This should be your midsection. This should be your extender pipe. This should go up over the axle, and that should be the tailpipe. I haven't read any directions, but that would be the only thing that makes sense really. And then up here is the instructions that kind of show you downpipe, extension pipe, another extension pipe, muffler over the axle, and tailpipe. So yeah, I didn't even read that and kind of figured that out. And anyway, these are the hangers that they use, which I'll be honest, I've never used these style hangers before. That should be interesting. Hopefully they're not a pain in the ass. And then a bag full of hardware, all your bolts, hangers. By the way, these were literally in the box, so either UPS or MBRP, good job. So just finished up with the install, which I don't want to crawl in the gravel, but I'll do it anyway. Hashtag YouTube. So you can see that it runs all the way back and out. The only thing that we're going to need to fix is we're going to need to fix that hanger in the middle. But I will tell you this right now, if you have a second gen Cummins and you wanted to quiet it down a little bit and make it a little less annoying per se in the cabin, because before, like I told you, the downpipe was literally cut off right at the bottom and it was so loud inside you couldn't even have a conversation. I know you guys are gonna say it needs hangers, which I agree, it does. That's why it's like up against the cab right there. It does need hangers, but the night and day difference is crazy. Starting up. Give you guys a little startup, couple different variations of the revs on it so you can hear it, just in case you'd be curious about it yourself. Sounds that good. So honestly, very pleased with it. Very happy. And in the cab, we'll do a couple drops. Sounds really, really good. Still hear a lot of turbo noise too, which is nice. I was kind of worried that the muffler was gonna quiet some of that down a little too much. Say it's turned up all the way. Hey guys, so I'm going to talk a little bit about that video. We're working on it. We came up with a name for the truck, and it's actually Project Civil. And the reason is because we use that truck actually as a work truck. I bought it and I wasn't sure what I was going to use the second gen for, knowing that I was going to buy a newer Dodge. But we use that truck for actually like residential things. So we needed to quiet it down a lot, which you can only do so much to a second gen to make it quiet. Now the inside of the cab is a lot quieter, and with the muffler, I would highly recommend that setup. I mean, I know a lot of people really like loud diesels, but that is still a very, very through and full exhaust system that is still very loud. So I don't know, like I almost recommend a muffler to anybody that would daily drive that, because when you're driving it around, it's a big difference, and I was very pleased with it. No regrets at all about that exhaust. You can get on MBRP's website. They didn't sponsor this or anything. You can get on there, enter your email address, and they'll actually give you a coupon, and it'll be, I think it was $305 shipped to my house. A full exhaust, bolted up, no problems, no nothing. I couldn't really ask for much better than that. We need to do something with the hangers, but that was due to us not buying like the rubber ones. So to close the video out, guys, I appreciate everything. If you're curious about this exhaust for your second gen Cummins and you want to know if you should buy it, no question. A lot of times I have a lot of things that I critique about mods that I buy that I'm like, it wasn't really worth it. I didn't really hear a difference. That thing is night and day difference. I'm telling you, it is crazy. Sounds good. Fitment's good. No, wait, I apologize. One thing I guess I would recommend is they have band clamps and exhaust clamps in there. If you know what I'm talking about the band clamp, I would recommend just buying all 4-inch exhaust clamps and brand new rubber hangers, and then I'd have no complaints about that exhaust system at all. So overall, MBRP, $300. Good job. You guys did a good job. You killed it. Guys, I'm gonna close the video out. I've been working on these all day. 4th gen stuff is coming very soon, I promise. All the 4th gen stuff so far has just been boring, and I know it has been, but it's just stuff to get it through inspection. Like if you guys have inspections like that around your way, you know how tough it is at times. You gotta do all the maintenance stuff all at one time to get it done. But guys, until next time, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit that sub button, and until next time, take care.